Let's kick things off here by creating a brand new Laravel project. So here in my terminal, I'll just do Laravel new, and I'll call my project skill meter. Now let's get into skill meter. And if I open this up, what I want to quickly do now is set up my database connection. So let's start with the app name actually. So I'll just call this skill meter. Because I'm using Laravel Valley, Laravel is smart enough to pick up what the URL will be, and it has populated that in there. So here at the bottom, I'm just going to provide a database password. Also, the default database is whatever the name of your project is. So in this case, my project was skill meter, and the default is set to skill meter. So over here, I have Table Plus installed. I already created a database called skill meter. It's a MySQL database. And so we will just test this by running the migrations on this new project to be sure that everything is working out well. So PHP artisan migrate. And that seems to work. Let's head back to Table Plus, refresh, and we see the migration all set up. So it looks like we have a project going. We have a good start. Now, the last thing I want to do is quickly go to the URL here, and we do have our brand new Laravel project. It's showing here as version 10, which is the latest version as of the time of this recording, and we don't have any authentication or anything set up. So we will be looking at that in the upcoming lessons.